Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be doing the oil change on my Mercedes C300. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be changing the oil in my Mercedes-Benz C300. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to start by opening the hood. And I did let this warm up a little bit. Alright, so with the hood open, I'm going to remove the oil cap so that will vent when we drain that. And then I'm also going to take this cover off of here because this will expose the area of where the oil filter cap is, and then that oil filter element is actually in there. I did let the vehicle run for a little bit before doing this, so the next step is to jack up the car, and we'll go underneath, take that plastic cover off the bottom so I can access the drain plug on the oil pan. I'll open that up, let the oil drain out, and then come back on the top, change filter, put in some oil. Alright, so I'm going to chock the rear wheels and make sure those are secure before you jack the car up for sure. Now, one thing that's nice about Mercedes is they do put a little jacking cross member underneath the car here, so we can just get that pad under there and jack up the car. Alright, so with the car jacked up, I do have it sitting on some jack stands, and then I can go underneath and take that plastic panel off that is that covers the bottom side of the engine. Alright, so underneath here are these 8mm bolts, and you just have to loosen all these up. There's some that just run across this here, and then there's some in the back as well. And you just have to take those off because that will remove this plastic cover. And then once this plastic cover is off, you can access the drain plug for the oil pan. I'll go ahead and just keep working on these. There we go. Alright, and that is a 13mm socket on this. And it's going to take a little bit here to get this open. Oh, my light just died. Alright, I'll try that again. And I'm probably going to need to get a new battery on that. Alright, got the new battery in, the light, and so I just need to get this drain plug loosened here. There we go. Alright.
Did you get it?
It's loose. They did say this is a better angle. Okay. Alright, and let that oil drain out. Alright, I did have to loosen this up with a bigger wrench. Now I can get this cap wrench on here and get this oil filter housing off. That should just spin right out. Then I can get that oil filter element out of there and put in the new element. Alright, and there's the new filter. Go ahead and put this in. And it comes with all new rubber gaskets that you need to put on here, so you want to make sure that you change all those out. You can see where those are on there. There's one there, one there, there's the one here. Alright, so I got the new O-rings on there, got the new filter element in here. So I can put this back in to this. So you just need to turn that in there so it's nice and snug. Now I do have to go back down on the bottom side, put the drain plug back into the oil pan, then I can refill this car with oil. Alright, according to the owner's manual, this takes 7.4 quarts of 0W40. Alright, so I'm going to finish topping this off, check the oil level, check underneath, make sure I don't have any leaks, and then put that plastic pan back on the bottom side. And then I'll be done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.